Boys, I know I probably didn't get a lot of support yet, but it's part 2 already. I figured out how to do water, bro. Look at this. My water's on. It goes all the way. All the way up. All the way up. Around there. And it goes into the top. And then buzzing guy, bro. Water. Water. And then I just cover. And if I cover that, well, that piece. Because there has to be water getting out somehow. But it's sick. And I'm working water. Like, this is the best thing ever for me, guys. I love working water. No freaking way, boys. No way. Okay, I want. It's Hunter, and I'm out, boys. Part 2.